Hello everyone, how are you doing? My name is Manal Abdullal. I'm an architect, also Autodesk certified professional. I'm very glad to be with you in this course. I've been working with Autocad since 1997, and over the past years, I've had the chance to train hundreds of professionals and companies both in the US and internationally. In this course, I'm using Autocad 2026, but it works just the same as the previous versions. So you can easily follow along even if you're using older versions. And don't worry, I'll be updating the course to stay in sync with any future changes. This course is for anyone who wants to learn AutoCAD. No prior experience needed. Just bring your passion to learn, follow along, and practice. You will need a computer that meets AutoCAD's system requirements and just a basic understanding of how to use Windows operating system. Whether you are brand new or just brushing up on your skills, you will find everything you need to get started. I'll walk you through the core tools and commands step by step, from drawing and modifying shapes to using layers, adding annotation, and preparing your work for printing. Ready to master AutoCAD? Enroll now and let's build your skills together.